Hello students, this is lecture series for the class 5. For class 5, let me change the pen color. Okay, so this is lecture series for class 5 and this lecture will be in English only. Okay, so if you guys feel some problem with English that you are not able to understand in English properly, you can tell me in comment section or in your WhatsApp section or on WhatsApp, and definitely I will make this lecture in Hindi also. Okay, in complete Hindi or I will use mixed up. It's all up to you that what is your response. If you want that I will make a mixed lecture, that is Hindi as well as English combined. Okay, so it's all up to you which kind of lecture you will prefer. Okay, so this is your IT Planet book for class 5. For class 5. Okay, this is your lecture number 2. Actually, this is a lecture 2, but from today I will start the proper syllabus. In last class I just told you about the basics of computer. Now today we will start with chapter number 1, which is generation of computer. What is the generation of computer? So first of all, what we have to read? We have to read generation of computer. In this chapter we will study about generation of computer, first, second, third, fourth and fifth generation. Means that what we have to read? We have to read only these 5 generation. What do you mean by generation? Generation means whenever there is so much change. There is so much change, a big change in any technology. Means that as you can see in your devices, there was 2G. If you ask your parents, then they will tell you there was a time when we were using 2G. Now after that we used 3D, and now we are having 4G, and we will have 5G very soon. Some companies have tested this positively, so maybe in some future we will see 5G also. So as you know, in 2G means second generation. If you ask about your parents who used 2G, then they will tell you that in second generation computer, in second generation network, the network speed was very low. It was about 16 kbps. Means that you want to be able to watch on YouTube. You can skip the YouTube, but you are not able to scroll the web pages. Even you want to be able to open the web pages in 2G. And after that there was 3G, who made speed more higher, and now we are using 4G. Same way, these are the generation in network. Now today we will see the same generation in case of computer. Okay, I think you guys are ready for it. If you are not, then please let me know. Okay. First of all, my point is that if you are not able to understand in English, so please let me know, so that I will make a lecture for Hindi also, because there is not any kind of meaning if I'm unable to understand the things. If you're not able to understand the things, so this is nothing for me. Okay, now generation of computer. First of all, welcome to your new class, because you have promoted from class 4 to class 5. Okay, now here you have to read about generation. As we all have generation in our family, like suppose there is grandfather and then grandmother, okay, parents, then children. Okay, so these are the generation. That your grandfather is a generation, then your father, and then you, and then other extras. Okay, so this is the generation. Same way computer generation are there. So as you can see, the first generation computer, like in UNIVAC, was designed so badly, so much big in size, that it should kept in a single room. Can you imagine, in a single room there is only a computer only, nothing else. Then it moves to the personal computer, which look like this, you can see, and after that desktop computer, which looks like this, then all-in-one computer, which is look like this, then notebook, then tablet, then smartphone, and then Intel computer stick. So let me explain you all these things one by one. UNIVAC was first generation computer. What was the first generation computer? Then personal computer was there, Desktop computer, I think you guys are familiar with it. All-in-one is a computer in which there is only a single monitor having all the CPU with monitor. Means that you have to plug in your keyboard and mouse in this you have to plug in your keyboard and mouse in the given port of CPU, in the given port of monitor only, and you will get the CPU. The notebook, like your laptop is also called notebook, and then tablet PC, a smartphone that you are using, and Intel computer stick. It is a stick that can convert any HDMI port system. Means that if you have any display which supports HDMI port, then you can convert this system, this screen, to a smartphone device, a smart device like a computer. Okay. Now, generation of computer. Generation means remarkable improvement in any product. So we can say that generation of computer means remarkable improvement of the growth and the development of computer technology. So whenever we say remarkable, means that a huge change. From where this is a huge change is called change of generation. The growth of computer took place in 5 distinct phases called computer of generation. Generation of computers. The different computer generation are categorized according to their technology based complement. So how you will differentiate that this is the first, this is second? How you will use technology. You will see which technology is used. Now the first generation computer. First generation computer was made up of in 1946 to 1958. This is a time period. After that, 1958, the first generation computer, the production of first generation computer was finished. Means that after 1958, there was no any company that generates first generation computer. Okay. Means that there is not any kind of use of it. Nobody was using it. Okay. Let's start. The first generation computer started in 1956, and the mass used thousands of vacuum tube. Vacuum tube is a kind of tube, air tube like this, which creates vacuum inside it. Vacuum means nothing. Okay, it was very old technology that vacuum tube used. Okay, they were very expensive, huge amount of electricity, and generate a lot of heat. There was such a lot of heat that you can't even imagine. Okay. Now, the first generation computer uses machine language. Let me see. Okay. So the first generation computer uses machine language, which was lowest programming language understood by the computer. So this language we use machine level language like 1011001111, something like that, which was very difficult to understand and very bad to understand at that time. Okay. So you use machine level language. Now, what is the feature? It was very big in size. Operating speeds very slow. Operating speed very slow. They were very expensive. They used devices called vacuum tube. ENIAC, UNIVAC was example. Drawback: produce a lot of heat. Not reliable. They can hang up. They can stop working anytime. Stop working anytime. Okay, they use machine language as a lower programming language. As I told you, what is machine level language? Machine level language was some kind of 101100 kind of language. In the language, there only 1 and 0 was used. It's called machine level language. Okay, या इसको क्या कहते हैं? Machine level language, MLL. Okay. Now, here's the structure of vacuum tube. You can see. Now, after that, second generation computer was launched in 1959 to 1964. Now you can ask me a doubt, which is that it was 1958, and here you can see after 958 we have 959. Okay, so it means that in 958 The generation of first generation computer means that creation of first generation was stopped, completely stopped. No company were making first generation computer. From 1959, second generation computer was on the ground. Means that if you ask to your parents, then you will came to know that earlier days TV was so big, called TFT TV, and your parents, your grandparents must be seen in this type of TV. Now you are having a slim TV, very lightweight, very good picture quality. It's called slim TV, and you might be comfortable with it. So if you ask your parents, then you will see that this so big TV is not in function anymore. If you wanted to buy this TV, you won't be able to buy it because it's not in the market even. You will not find it anywhere in any shop. Why? Because it is not in function. Same way, here is your second generation computer. Okay, let me talk about the second generation computer. They use transistor in place of vacuum tube. So the transistor were far superior than the vacuum tube, allows the computer to become smaller, faster, cheaper, and more reliable than the first generation computer. So one vacuum tube is equal to 40 transistor. Means that you have to use 40 transistor instead of one vacuum tube. Okay. Now the size of the transistor you can see is only this. Okay, this is the size of transistor. Transistor is works with the shall I tell you or not, reverse. Oh, okay, just leave it. No, you won't be able to understand that. So second generation computer assembly language instead of machine level language. IBM 140 Mark III Leo as well as example of this generation of computer. This generation are the more smaller than the first generation of computer. Speed was fast, cost get reduced. Okay, means you have to pay less amount and you will get faster speed. Drawback: produces a lot of heat like previous one. Speed is still slow, memory was less. Same in the third generation computer, the time spent is here. We used integrated circuit IC in the semiconductor chip. This chip makes our computers smaller, reliable, and keyboards and monitors which are infected with the operating system. Here we use operating system also, and then generate less heat, and it was supports like COBOL and Fortran language, which is high level language in which you can coding in like English language. Okay. Fourth generation computer uses microprocessor. These microprocessor are very small, thousands of integrated circuit. Means that a lot of integrated circuit IC commonly called microcontroller. Okay, you can also add is microcontroller. This is a sign of microcontroller. ठीक है, let me make it clear. Microcontroller. Okay, this is a sign of microcontroller. So these are the computers where more powerful, could link together, form a network. Here we have the network also. Then the development of internet. These are the systems that lead to the internet so fast. Okay. After that, what we have Intel 4004, Apple Macintosh, IBM 370. This computer supports C, C++, Java also. These are the four generation computers so small they can work even with desk and the palm of the hand. Okay. Personal computers also there, and Apple introduced Macintosh as I told you earlier. So here you can see these are the chip, and chip is very small. Here you can see in the finger there is a chip. So these microprocessor multi-purpose computers actually reliable and very fast. After that we have fourth generation of computer to present and beyond. This generation computer based on the AI. AI means artificial intelligence. Okay. They are still in the development. The main goal of the fourth generation computer is to develop a computer system that can respond to the natural language and compatible to the learning their own decision. For example, robots. So what is the meaning of natural language? Natural language means Hindi, English, all the language that a human speak. It's called, if you know about this Siri, Google Assistant, uh, Google Assistant, Siri, Alexa, then you know that these are the software that work with your voice. If you say that your Siri that set an alarm after 30 minutes, then it will set an alarm, so it will understand. So we are making some type of machine that can learn, and develop their self. So how they will learn? There are two type of learning in this case. For AI kind of robotics, when I talk about the robotics, so they in robot, there are two type of learning: supervision learning, and I think it will be so much for you. I think I should not tell it about this. Supervised and non-supervised, and internal and nocturnal learning. So it will be so deep for you. I think that's all for today. And if you have any doubts, you can ask me. And see you next class. Bye everyone.